Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit lag for Minecraft and the best settings to help lower your ping, reduce lag spikes, and improve your overall gameplay experience. If you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First, you have to open your exit lag app and log into your account. Once you're inside the application, just click on the connection tab. Click the add button and search for the Minecraft. Select that game and then you will be redirected into the server settings where you just have to click the choose a region. Select automatic and your preferred region, which is Asia. You can also select all regions. It is the recommended, but for me, I select Asia. And just click the advanced settings here. As you can see, your exit lag version may look different from mine. Some versions automatically manage the TCP routes and UDP routes. So if you can change those settings here, you just leave them at their default values. Exit lag will still optimize your connection. And just click the apply routes and wait for it to analyze. After the routes have been applied, launch Minecraft. Whether you're playing Java Edition or Bedrock Edition, ExitLag will continue optimizing your connection while you play. Now, join your favorite multiplayer server and check your ping. You should notice fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother movement, and the more consistent connection, especially on PvP, Survival, Skywars, and Bed Wars servers. If you're still experiencing high ping, try switching from automatic to manual selection and test a few different routes. Depending on your ISP and the server location, one route may perform better than another. Keep in mind that exit lag can create true zero ping. Your distance from the Minecraft server and your internet provider still affect your latency. While exit lag does it optimize the route your data takes, helping reduce packet loss, jitter, and unstable routing for a smoother online experience. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother Minecraft experience with exit lag. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.